भी ऐसा कहा नहीं है कि देश इंटॉलरेंट नहीं है। क्या आपको भी लगता है कि फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन नहीं है?
I have said what I had to, and I don't want to comment any further on what my thoughts were. I do appreciate you asking me the question, thank you. But I would not like to comment on that anymore. I think I've said more. I'm here to talk about a film that I believe very strongly in.
अच्छा करण, आप एक निर्माता निर्देशक के रूप में ऐसे सामाजिक संदेश की कोई फिल्म बनाएंगे आगे आगे कुछ ऐसी
डेफिनेटली
संभावना है?
अगर मुझे कोई कहानी जैसे अगर मुझे अलीगढ़ की स्क्रिप्ट मेरी तरफ आती तो आई वुड लव टू हैव बिन अ कमर्शियल एंड अ क्रिएटिव फोर्स बिहाइंड दैट फिल्म. मेरे पास ज़्यादातर ऐसी कहानियाँ नहीं आती, बट आई वुड पुट दैट वर्ड आउट कि अगर ऑफ कोर्स ऐसे कोई टॉपिक पे अगर कोई अच्छी कहानी, इतनी सेंसिटिव कहानी मेरी तरफ आए तो आई वुड लव टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट.
Karan, your fans are watching you live right now and they want to know, do you relate to any of the character from the film?
I related to the film. That means I related to each and every character. I was upset by the treatment meted out to the character by certain people, which was that means that it was performed efficiently, and it did more than having my sympathy. It had my thought engaged. Like it's made me think. It's made me question. It's aroused me in a certain way, and I think that's what films should do. They should make you get out of the cinema, think about it, and have a strong opinion. I would really like to meet those people who have an opinion against it, because that means those minds are perhaps not as evolved. But for people who feel the emotional energy of this film, I hope that they've spread the word and make sure more people engulf their presence into this film.
कटरीना और रणवीर की बार-बार रूमर्स आ रहे हैं कि वो अलग हो गए। क्या आप कंफर्म कर सकते हैं कि करण की क्या
मैं किसी और के पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में कमेंट नहीं करना चाहूँगा. मैं अपने पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में भी कमेंट नहीं करना चाहूँगा. हाँ, मैं कहना चाहूँगा आई एब्सोल्युटली लव्ड एयरलिफ्ट. एयरलिफ्ट के बारे में मैं बात कर सकता हूँ. मुझे बहुत अच्छी फिल्म लगी है, बहुत बड़ी हिट है. अक्षय कुमार की मुझे लगता है सबसे बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस है. मोर पावर टू द इंटायर प्रोडक्शन टीम. मेरे भी दोस्त हैं उसमें, निखिल, मधु, मोनिशा, टी सीरीज, एवरीबडी इज डन अ ग्रेट जॉब. निमृत, अक्षय दोनों मेरे पिक्चर में दोनों थे ना. निमृत इज आउटस्टैंडिंग. लंच बॉक्स में मैं काम कर चुका हूँ उनके साथ. अक्षय कुमार ट्रूली इज वन ऑफ द नाइसेस्ट गाइज इन द बिजनेस. नो वन बेटर देन हिम डिजर्व्स दिस काइंड ऑफ बिग सक्सेस.
Recently, Anurag Basu has made a statement that he would rather work with Ranbir Kapoor than working with Salman Khan.
Again, I would not like to comment on something else. Last question है मैं आपसे. Last but one minute क्या होता है? I'm going home. भगवान के लिए मुझे छोड़ दो. मैंने क्या बिगाड़ा है आपका? Oh yeah, hello. You must have the last word, Vikram. What's happening?
I'm very happy to be here. I mean, the fact that you're here to promote a film like this, to support a film like this.
Right.
But do you think any of our Bollywood celebrities, I think superstars, be it Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan or Amir for that matter, would do a film like this? Because every time we see, I mean, you did make a couple of films, and you know, every time the mainstream cinema makes a film like on homosexuality, it's more about everybody laughing at them.
Look, I can't speak for anybody else. I can only tell you my experience, that when I was casting my omnibus film Bombay Talkies, it was very, it was not easy. I can say that there were lots of actors who had apprehensions about doing that film. I was extremely elated and happy when Saqib Salim and Randeep Hooda came on board to play the designated parts. Yes, I can definitely say that actors are very cautious about doing films like this, because there is a certain, and I don't know if it's their own personal perspective or point of view, sometimes the people that work for you or can influence you perhaps advise you differently and feel that will your image per se get tarnished or will it get affected. The names you mentioned, they're superstars, and I hope everybody looks at cinema as a platform to engage with on an artistic basis. And I hope that many evolved and mature superstar actors would also do films, and I'm sure I can imagine if you go to Amir Khan with a really strong, poignant film, he would totally engage with it. Shah Rukh and Salman and Hrithik, I've had many conversations, and I'm sure that they're all willing to, break through creatively and cinematically. I think people like us have to make films like that on a level that perhaps engages movie stars. And I think some of us, I'm not just speaking for myself, but all of us filmmakers have to also make braver themes. Sometimes we tend to play it safe, for larger concerns, and if we don't get out of our own parameter, we'll never succeed on a creative basis. So to answer your question, yes, I do believe very strongly that it is something that takes a while for people to adjust themselves to, but I think some of the leading superstars of our country are definitely willing to take the chance if the film is offered to them on a certain, with a certain kind of energy that they would engage in.
करण,
Thank you so
एक
much.
लास्ट करण, आप इतने व्यस्त हैं इन दिनों, आप लाइक शूटिंग करते रहते, बाहर फिल्म समारोह में पार्टिसिपेट करते रहते, कोई कहता है कि डॉन और करण को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन।
काश मेरे पीछे इतने लोग लगे रहते, काश डॉन की तरह मुझे भी पकड़ना नामुमकिन था। मुझे अनफॉर्चुनेटली पकड़ना काफ़ी मुमकिन है और इनफैक्ट कुछ हद से ज़्यादा आसान है। तो अपने आप को थोड़ा मैं आई वुड से थोड़ा मैं अपने आप को थोड़ा दूर रखूं तो बेहतर होगा। मैं हर जगह अनफॉर्चुनेटली पहुंच जाता हूँ। चाहे आप कोई भी टीवी ऑन कर ले तो मेरा प्रेजेंस वहाँ होना ज़रूरी होता है, चाहे वो अवार्ड फंक्शन क्यों ना हो, या एक्चुअली to open an envelope also I think I land up. तो I think वो बिल्कुल गलत है आपका ये ऑब्जर्वेशन। मैं डॉन नहीं, मैं बस हर जगह का, मैं कौन भी नहीं हूँ, मैं बस हूँ। आपका लास्ट सवाल था ना, थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू।